Imagine we have a bearish imbalance. If we have a downward movement, then from it we would want to see a reaction downward, respect for either its lower boundary or the midpoint. But what will happen if that doesn't occur? Here, the candle fills it completely, trading inside the range. So now it's completely balanced because only the sell side was initially present here. Now, the buy side has also stepped in. That means this range is effective again, but the price continues to trade within it. Then it breaks out. And what does that tell us? Now this bearish imbalance has turned into an inversion imbalance. And now its upper boundary and all the levels we previously discussed will act as a support for the price. Now it has flipped, so to speak, we broke through it and now it has become support for the price. That is, if we have other confirmation factors, we can now expect a bullish reaction from it. And as we can see, that's exactly what happens. The price retraces into it, respects the structure with candle bodies, and doesn't breach the 0.25 level. This indicates strong respect. That is, if the candle bodies don't even reach the 0.5 level, it means the price is aiming higher and respecting this array. And here is clearly visible, because the price doesn't even touch the 0.5 level expect with a wick. A wick doesn't matter, while candle bodies tell the real story. We've already covered this. Here, liquidity was simply taken out before the next push upward. Since you stuck around until the end, I've got a special bonus for you. 3 trading strategies I've relied on for years, all with a proven edge. Chances are you've never come across these before, so I highly recommend testing them out, at least on a demo account. You will find the PDF with detailed instructions linked in the description below. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a like on this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.